Hello, today, we're going to learn how to create professional quality backing tracks with just a melody. All you need is one thing, a melody. You don't need sheet music, you don't need to play an instrument. AI will listen to your melody and create the perfect accompaniment. But why is this technique so important? The traditional way of hiring a professional accompanist can be quite expensive, but with AI, you can create professional-grade backing tracks in minutes, for free. The first method is the simplest, humming. You can see on my screen that I have the Suno interface open. The song we'll use today is Amazing Grace, which everyone knows. It's in the public domain, so no copyright concerns. This is the piece you're hearing in the background right now. Now let's listen to this melody in humming. There are a few things to keep in mind when humming. First, record in a quiet environment. Background noise prevents AI from accurately recognizing the melody. Second, maintain a consistent tempo. If you speed up and slow down, the accompaniment will be unstable too. Third, sing with clear pitch. If your pitch is ambiguous, the AI gets confused. Now comes the most important step, writing the prompt. Looking at the screen, I've entered this. No vocals, absolutely no vocals. Instrumental only, create only instrumental accompaniment. What happens if you forget these instructions? The AI might keep the humming or add new vocals. What we want is pure instrumental backing only. Now let's listen to the generated backing track. Do you hear that? The humming has been perfectly transformed into a rich orchestral accompaniment. You can hear the classical orchestra sound with strings, brass, and woodwinds blending together, right? The advantage of the humming method is clear. You can immediately realize the melody in your head without sheet music or audio files. But there are disadvantages too. The result depends on the accuracy of your humming. That's why I usually generate 4 to 6 versions and choose the one I like best. The second method is more accurate, using existing melody recordings. We'll use Amazing Grace again, the same song we used for humming, but with a different approach. As you can see on screen, I've prepared a file with just the melody line played on electric piano. Now let's upload this audio to Suno. Click the upload button at the top of the screen and select your file. Shall we try a jazz style this time? I've written this prompt. Here, Jazz Piano Trio means piano, bass, and drums in a jazz trio format. Walking bass refers to the technique where the bass plays in a walking pattern, common in jazz. Swing rhythm means the distinctive swing feel of jazz. And again, we include no melody instrument and accompaniment only to exclude the melody and create only the backing. Let's hit the generate button and wait for it. Perfect, right? It's the same Amazing Grace melody, but it has a completely different jazz atmosphere from the orchestral version we created earlier. Let me share some practical tips now. First tip, generate multiple versions. AI creates different results each time. I usually generate 4 to 6 and choose the best one. Second tip, clearly specify genre and style. Write specific genres like classical orchestral, jazz piano trio, or gospel choir to get exactly the atmosphere you want. Third tip, specify concrete instruments in your prompt. Write exactly like piano, cello, violin accompaniment to get the sound you want. You can also specify instruments you don't want. no drums, no electric instruments. Today, I showed you how to create professional backing tracks with humming, but the full course covers so much more. Converting sheet music to MIDI for precise backing tracks, the secrets of arranging original compositions with orchestral sound, and how to use melodies safely without copyright issues. You can learn all of it. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.